can't spend your money to have a good class, right? To have an exciting class, right? A class full of fun. But do me a favor, take 3 steps forward. Take 3 steps forward. I'm going to show you how to make the body that right now in class. Take 3 steps forward. Because if they get back, you don't want to be far to get back. It's the left side of the front. I want you to in the front, but take 3 steps forward. That's how we start the body. Good night, Emperor. Welcome to Bermuda Rumble. Fire represents the Bermuda Rumble featuring 2 of Bermuda's biggest songs tonight. You have Pocket Right, underneath the Cosper's head, you have Young Guns. No Young Guns fans like this? Can make some noise? None? Alright, on the left, underneath the head, we have OGS Jackson. Any OGS Jackson? Any OGS? Rude one, Shulings, and one life Big up Club. Big up Lawrence, you know. The real boss of this. You ready? People, it's gonna be 4 rounds. First round 20 minutes. Second round 20 minutes. Third round 20 minutes. Fourth round 15 minutes. And if needed, choose the tune. Now, if any song win 3 rounds straight, you know what that means, right? Walk on. Knock it off, all right. Hold on, last thing. I want to prepare the people. If the song plays good, what do you think you should do? All right. If the song don't play good, you know what you want to do. Young ones ready? 20 minutes up first. Yeah. Young Guns.
Manners and respect where you go. Marshall, I'm going on for this time, alright? Which one? Alright. No, that one says 12. Alright. Everybody was wondering who was going to play for YGS tonight. Right? Genesis big up. Because tonight, I should have some earlier. There was no way any other selector but me could have been there tonight. So, I don't care if Hypermage is here, if Bravo is here, I don't care when a Trinidad or New York team is here. I'm gonna kill OGS Genesis by myself.
Yeah.
By myself. See, manners and respect, Biggie. I'm a generous idea tonight. Don't worry about time. Enough time tonight. Big up the whole Young Guns family. From KK to KG to the Far Right to Indian to Eddie to Demas to Biggie to the whole family tonight. I'm dedicating this clash to my father who passed away last year. If you know my father, his name was Dusha. I'm dedicating this clash, win, lose, or draw, to my father. If you love reggae music, put one hand in the sky like this. Engineer.
Sally, let's go, boy. Shit should have been ready.
Yeah, 8%. Nothing going in.
Fuck already, boy. Fuck. Dead boy. Dead boy.
Stop the time, please. Please. Stop after 20 minutes. I'm letting the song play, so whenever you turn it on over there, it will play. Shit already. Everything there.
Share the like. Share the like. Oh, someone, share the like. Oh, someone and woman, share the like. Big dance will start. Soon as they get the box work.
Yo, people, don't worry, let them all work it over.
Share the dance.
Work it over, big one. Trust me. Eat up. All right, ready? Team I reload, everything I reload again. You ready? That was all right.
Share the like. Share the stream. Share and like. Share the stream.
Alright. I'm waiting for something to make sure everything is honest. I don't think that was something else there right now. Wow. Hey. That's not right. You know what I want. 20 minutes coming, China, please advance.
So, Rachel, look, all due respect, when you come out, you make a speech for about 2 minutes here. Big man thing, you make a speech for about 2 minutes. All of us want to make one speech for 2 minutes. 2 minutes again. All of us want to make my time. 2 minutes here. We are left behind. Straight. 17 minutes is good, bro.
That's something dedicated to the Father of my own, y'all.
young God sound. Come here, Indian man, you have world.
You see one thing about YGS? We don't switch. We deal with loyalty around here.
Young God,
emotion tonight. All who did not say some clash respect and mercy. Upside down, now when you put this little crony and look good, first on. Big up.
4, 3, 2, 1. All right, people. That was Young Guns for a 20-minute round. Make some noise for Young Guns. Y'all light it up. I'm like getting about 100 Red Bulls ball in the place, man. Light it up, your blood clots, man. You see how nice? Engineer, start with the team. Start with the team. Turn it up. Turn it up. Turn it up. Up next, for the first 20-minute round, we have Genesis.
Yeah. 1, 2. Oh. Yeah, man. Fix up the thing. Think on fix up. Let us welcome everybody to the funeral. Isn't it? Manners of respect, real talk, so I'll come out to the team. Violence! Think of a month tonight. Isn't it? We don't know yes, something. One yes. Boy, try this from early. I'm going to kick out the blood class here tonight. Remember me tell you that. We don't know yes, something. Darren Eagle, Jason, Richmond, isn't it? My father told me father over. You don't know. Let me show you this. We want to say no rules tonight. Anything goes tonight. Anything goes tonight. Let me say anything depends on how I'm tonight. Depends on our blood, my heart. People get off without from the same way. Pussy. And I'm going to show you from earlier. Let me show you how much y'all pussy. You don't even rate yourself. Listen to me. You don't even rate yourself. It's cool. No, get it. No pussy. You can't even face me. There's no one of these white man. You can't even face me. Let me show you something. You're a pussy deep, and you don't even belong to the pussy display and represent yourself. You're a pussy. You're a pussy. And let me show you this. From what I see in no room tonight, they're going to take like a blood clot father. Trust me. Yeah, like in blood line. No fun with God rules tonight. Pussy. Fuck your mother. Yo, clear on the blood clot big soul.
Now you can't only represent the OGs and Genesis and I'm not even about the OGs. I'm going to Mambo. I'm going to you don't have someone around me.
You know where you're rolling tonight, pussy. Tonight will be a blood clot funeral. Pussy. yeah. Yeah, no. Listen, no. Listen, no. You can talk.
Share the live.
Oh, good, man. Come on out. You see, you got stuff. You got square stuff, person.
Please share the live.
Stuff you got to get control of your team, girl. Let me show you something. When you was playing, when you want to play, listen now. When you was playing, my person, he never played good music. If you listen just now, I was playing my song, and he deliberately pressed play over me. That is total disrespect. Honestly, you know, I never kissed him on the event he was playing. The promoter say there's no rules, you can say what you want, but we never play over him when he was playing. Yo, play the tune, girls.
Forever, I love you.
to do.
So,
Don't play one job.
What is that?
Play like you. I'm gonna play my role. OGS Genesis playing on the that's all they want to do. So somebody wake the doctor start playing one track shoes. And then they play songs too fast, the dog them sound like chipmunk shoes. We play on the wheel. Not the wheel. That's all we do.
Driving souls white man through the streets like a convert, one like setting fire. I'm young as OG and this is the time that we are alive. But we're so high, they were for themselves, no one with people, they must start something different. Some souls by the street that act like I shine. OG is Genesis, looking like making the every time. Yeah, that's right. You don't talk to me tonight. When you hear me go, get all the way, just feel alright. Yeah, I feel alright. And
Level. Like I said, people, tonight is going to be a honest night tonight. Friends now witness. It's going to be a honest night tonight. You see me? Good heart on me tonight. God, my school is home. You can't work tonight. Leave me some kissing. No thing, no hope. You're watching this bullshit. Listen, big up the real friend out there. Real talk. Big up Honesty, big up Darren, big up Risky, big up Yo, Paris, White Master. Real friend. Hey, you have some dopey sticking friend around here, you know. It's dopey, but start to go to the beginning, brother. Start to go shop, brother.
Bravo. Where's your brother?
Turn on the thing now. Never let my team. When you're on fire, is doing your homework, I'm doing both of the forward bullshit. Please stop now. Please stop now.
I see how far I speak. Like a bit, Jason. Bravo. The one is the one I do. Your Genesis. Watch this guy now. Yeah. OGS. Be the right foot. Fight the water. Yo, Genesis. You know the war was alright, every go. Up to we got it. One country.
Let me say this now. We work hard for this, you know. We don't take one to go for the bills tonight. Don't let nobody hold it back tonight. Please stop here. Like I said, think about change about tonight. Real talk. Don't let the first show fool you. What is it? Please stop this.
Oh Jesus, I'm in this one, I know that this hard. Fuck you, get down, hearing the response. But we got big blood, the right is this hard. I push up them bones. Oh, yes, head march, this is it. Shall we put up? The jump like a front. Oh Jesus, we listen to them, and we them wish man. Tell them get down, mom, we get mad. If we get this time, find them left one. Fuck you, sister.
Zero. Second round,
responsible for this timer, let me know right now. God Genesis are the worst easy on the internet. Hold on. Anybody
Share the live. Share the live.
If you've ever been on J-Rock Radio Cruise later on in the night, I got a humongous announcement. A humongous announcement for my Birmingham people. But you see how I started tonight with Marley? Every round, we feel like starting with Marley. Birmingham, big up every soundman. If you are soundman, push your hand aside like this. If you own a sound system, put your hand aside like this. If your voice don't hit, put your hand aside like this. Big up every single soundman. Just see how we're on here. Genesis, you have been in this sound clash business for over 30 motherfucking years. 30 years. Birmingham. None of them nobody like me. I'm sorry. You can add every single one of Genesis selectors, combine them together, they're nobody like me. Can I play a song for Cedar Ridge tonight? Can I play one? Get up!
Sounding around for a while now. They don't feel shot like them a big song. Young ones crying out, say I'm fire. They make so sorry. When they start for the 80s, they never was my dance in the 30 years. Some song don't care about you, but your clothes will say for you. Hallelujah, your clothes will say for you. I'm buried in St. John's graveyard.
Anybody know water? They played a fucking Christopher Ellis. in Bermuda. Who the fuck did you think was gonna play for Unbuckland one yesterday? I will not say Unbuckland to be a blessing. Young girls are like 200 years. 200 years. 200 years. Genesis, Jackie Brown. Jackie Brown. Genesis, first book of the Bible. You see this? If you know me personally, you know I walk with my Bible in my pocket every single day. Big up everybody inside of the building right now. It's a God-fearing people. If you believe in God, you see that song here. You see that song here. Genesis, let me tell you the shut down. When you see this bumbo class flag, you don't see a Bermuda in this film. All of that said from Bermuda 200 years. 200 bumbo class.
Share the live, oh someone, share the live.
You know what OGA stands for? It stands for Original Gangster Sound. Which one of them pussy are real gangster in real life? None of them bumbo class.
Hey, boy! There's no permission for you with your job.
Dwayne, sit the fuck down, bro. Sit the fuck down, bro. Yo, Luffy, you made some speech one year. You made some speech on Facebook Live.
Hey yo, I'm on a fucking show. Hey yo, I ain't changed. Hey yo,
Luffy, you made some speech. shoot custom. I don't know if you like it, but I heard you try today. But Buju tell you sorry, man, because your mother Buju song. So maybe it would be a good idea if you play your Buju Banton custom next year. Because if not, young ones will unlock and explode by Buju Banton tonight. If you read girls are 2 and a year. No. If you read Vybz Kartel 2 and a year. Genesis, I hope you go to the new cartel tonight. Because I'm trouble in there. I'm trouble in there.
Rasta like a DJ, real up again. Alright. I'm a hustler. I do something I don't think you so big. Hustler, baby. This ain't a real star. You know what this is my man, murder your baby. Woman, go try your man. On the road to the town, the girl wanna swan.
You boy, sit burning with the artists, and he kicks in. The only boss not come prepared. Bring the song here,
Hurry! Oh yes, Genesis, there is some who post you all time is you man like white, yes. Young gun, Scooby, David, with that. Oh that! One I say, yo, OGS, big up father, OGS, Lofty, Jason, Rich Kid, you got no way to murder some posted tonight. Rich Kid, now again, drinking after. OGS, now again, and all the OGS, Kid, young monster.
Yo, engineer, what do you get started? Yo, what do you get started?
OGS, Genesis, there is some who post you all time is you man like white, yes. Young gun, Scooby, David, with that. Oh that! One I say, yo, OGS, big up father, OGS, Lofty, Jason, Rich Kid, you got no way to murder some posted tonight.
Engineer, don't run to the baseline.
Rich Kid, time again, drinking after. OGS, time again, and all the murder. OGS, young guns, they don't talk ya. We are keep on shooting. OGS, King Young Guns, they don't talk ya. We are keep on shooting and no fear. Fear, stand the aim, all them up a dog. Genesis, all them on the song. Design up on the body, Rich Kid around here. Elevation, one long here. Lose up, 10 fast, 10 up. And if the boy ain't set, Jesus, we know. You kill another one, easy tomorrow. School make it to no sorrow. Pussy, you're not gonna see tomorrow. Yeah,
Yo, is it tonight? Yo, y'all post it. You pay for that too. I agree with this, y'all understand? He just said I'm free too. The one this black star is a bullshit. And back when we not playing. Suck your mouth about you, boy. Now let me show you this. It's the reason why the bumper blood trash can do his kids. Because after they know him, they'll cut him up and put him in the bathroom right here. For the jail just to find him Monday morning. Listen to this song.
Everything going on. Yeah, everything so sad. What's that sad?
Listen to this song now.
You know I got it like that, bro.
Lord, let's show you something. You hear a few moves earlier. Honestly, you want this like Black Star. When the moves didn't play, something like they must have scam moves with this song. Real talk. Because you hear say the deal for this song was a 5-pound box, 5-pound bag of potato, and a 6-pack of sauerkraut. They must give 3 pounds of potato and 2 blood clot miniature. Listen, real pussy, pussy. Listen.
And so each understand. What's what the fuck is the Nazi? You're right. Good. I don't believe I'm next story.
Because he don't even have no confidence in himself. You see that sound? Straight to your blood clot premium.
Yo,
and take on a big, fat, angry motherfucker like me. So I must be fucking what? Angry, so you fucking what?